my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by today to check out my unboxing of Boxycharm Premium. This is my paid for box, and Boxycharm Premium is a monthly subscription which you can pick up for $39.99, and if you're interested in this box, then you can go to boxycharm.com and sign up. And this is my paid for box, and because I am a member, I get to choose 2 products every month for my box. So I did get to choose 2 of the products that are in here. If you're new here, I do post weekly, and I do different subscription unboxings, hauls, and product reviews. So if you're interested in any of those things, then this channel is for you. So hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, let's get into this box. So guys, just before we jump in the box, I wanted to let you know that I did peek in and I did use some of the products today to create this logo. And I will show you exactly what I did and how I used the products in this video. So stay tuned. So let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Alright, so this is how your box shows up to you when you subscribe to Boxycharm. It's sent to you just like this. They put a label on the back with your address on it. When you pop the box open, this is what you initially see. And they do give you a card, and every month Boxycharm does do a theme. So be my Clementine darlings. And that is the theme for this month's Boxycharm Premium. On the back, guys, you do get to know what version of the box you have down here. You get a description of the products that you receive inside, as well as their prices. So we're going to jump right into this. And there are like 2 products that I didn't use in this box for my look, but that's because they don't apply. So my first product that I'm pulling out, guys, is the Christoph Robin's. This is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. And this product here has a retail value of $39. Wow. Says this mist makes thin or fine or flat hair feel thicker, full of body, while delivering an easy to style and using a delicate rose blend infused formula with babu leaves extract and ylango elements from seawater. This mist helps enhances your hair texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. I have no use for this, but I'll just spray it just to see what it smells. Ooh, ooh. It was licking just a little bit. I didn't even have to spray it. I actually can smell rose. It does smell just like rose water. If you're not a rose fan, you probably won't like this too much. Now, I mean, it can instantly smell like rose, and then maybe the smell kind of dissipates. I'm not exactly sure, but I just don't particularly have a need for this product because I'm a natural hair girl and I don't really need this. So it'll probably get passed to someone else that can make some good use out of this product. But again, this product is $39. And this is the Christoph Robin's Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water, and it's very strong with rose water. And guys, my most favorite thing is the Huda palette. So this is one of my choices for the month. And I did create my beautiful look for my eyeshadow with this lovely palette. So let me show this thing to you. This thing has some really great looking spring colors. I mean, you could really play around with this thing and really have a great time with creating looks for day and night. And I just could not resist coming on camera and not showing you guys what we can do with it. Now, this palette does have a mirror, which I'm going to just pop the Boxycharm card over it, so I'm not blinding you guys with the lights. But here's a close-up of the palette right here. And you can see, look at all of these beautiful colors. I mean, this is like the perfect vibe for spring for me. So this really kind of cheered me up and got me out of my winter funk when I seen all these great colors. And I am going to pop on the screen how I created my look, so that'll be going on now. And guys, basically these colors were so easy to work with. They went on so well. Be careful not to get a little heavy-handed when you're putting your brush into each pan, because there was a little bit of fallout, so just be mindful of that. Not a lot, just a little bit. And the colors, I mean, they were just gorgeous as they went on. I mean, just literally true to how they look in here. Very blendable. I loved working with this palette. I think you guys who received this will enjoy it, because I do know that when Boxycharm had their add-on sale that this palette was in it, and I heard that it sold out. So everybody wanted to get their hands on this palette. But this is just some great colors here. I mean, you could do so much with this palette. This is gorgeous. And guys, this palette has a retail value for $67. So if you bought this box for $39.99, you have recovered all of your money in just this palette. So I think that is dope. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. And it says, take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades with both bold and neutral shades. This palette delivers infinite possibilities. I absolutely agree with that. You guys see me putting my makeup on now and how great it looks. The ease of application didn't take me long at all to kind of blend everything together and have it set up really nice. Really enjoyed this Huda palette. I hope you guys are testing yours out too and having great fun with your palette as well. So we're going to go on to the next thing in my box. So the next thing I'm going to pull out, we received a product by the name of Moonlit Makeup, and this is Primed for the Night. Now guys, I did use this as well. I did put this on prior to using my Huda palette, and at first when I tried it out, I didn't show that to you on camera, but I did try it out off camera just to see how this primer was going to work. And I felt like if you tried to go ahead and put your makeup on right away, you would notice that some of your brush would kind of be moving splotchily across your skin. Like instead of it going smoothly across after you put this primer on, I found it kind of be splotchy. Like you would just, it looks like you know, you was dotting and not really using a brush. And I think that was because it actually needs to dry down a little bit. So I waited the second time and then I put it on, and I felt like it was easier to use at that point, but I felt like it did need a little drying time before. So I would say my recommendation is not to go right in right away with your eyeshadow, but just give it a moment to kind of dry down a bit before you start applying your eyeshadow. And then it was kind of okay, and I didn't have any more issues with it. But guys, this primer here retails for $18, and it's a eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint, silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing, and it's so easy it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night. Enjoy the vibrant, long-lasting color wherever your adventure takes you. And guys, I just used a little bit, and it is translucent, and you guys see how it's going on when I'm putting it on, as well as it dried very clear, felt kind of silky like a lotion. But again, like I said, just be careful. I would wait like a minute or so before you go ahead and with your eyeshadow, because I actually put it on, then I went and did something real quick and came back and then put my eyeshadow on. Works so much better, so much better. So that's my tip for you guys trying it out, and you guys see it up on the screen. So that's our Moonlit Makeup Primer, which is 18 bucks. So we're going to go on to our next thing. And the next product, guys, we received, this was also another one of my selections, but I think what my choices were, this was probably the best thing for me to pick. So it's not like I picked it because I wanted it, but it was the more better choice for me to pick. So this product here is called Dime, and this is Dime Beauty Eyelash Boost Serum. Now guys, I actually have long eyelashes naturally, but I got falsies boobies on the day because I had to bring it with this eyeshadow color, so I had to come all the way out with that. But generally, I have long eyelashes, always have. Never had a issue with thin, short eyelashes. But hey, I'm getting older. Why not get a serum? I figure it might help make them look a little bit fuller or something. So it says this has a $44 retail value. So yeah, I won't be buying this again because I'm not spending 44 bucks. And basically the verbiage we have here is grow your own naturally full and beautifully long lashes with the help of this best-selling eyelash boost serum. Improves length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with proprietary blends of amino acids and peptides. So guys, I'm not familiar with this brand, Dime Beauty Company, at all. If you guys are, hit me up in the comments and let me know if you've had any interactions with this beauty brand before. So this will be my first time trying out a product by them, but clearly this is something that you're going to wear when you're not wearing makeup. So I'll give this a try maybe around bedtime and just wear it or put it on before I go to bed and see how I make out with that. So guys, I'm going to go right into our next product. Our next product is, this is the Uma Beauty. This is the Badass MFA lip liner. What a name! You won't forget that name, I promise. So this is a $16 product, and you guys see me using it. I thought it was easy to work with. Not as creamy probably as I would like, but I thought it was still okay to work with. And you can either line your lips or use it to fill in your lips and maybe slap on some lip gloss. Whatever works for you. But the verbiage here we have is shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, smooth, silky smooth lip liners designed to be warm with your favorite lipstick shade. So guys, this Uma Beauty product here, the matte lip liner, like I said, it wasn't my favorite product, but I thought it was okay. I don't have any complaints. This has a retail value of $16. And I feel like you can always use lip liners in so many different ways. So it's not like you're forced to use it one particular way. If you don't want to line your lips, you can mix it with another color, which is what I do often with shades that I don't care for. I'll mix it with something else and create another look and just coat it with some lip gloss and go about my business. So I can still use it. So it's no biggie. But again, I wasn't happy necessarily with the shade. I would have liked something a little bit darker. That would have made me happy. And guys, so our next product, last but not least, gang, we are at the end. So the last product I have here is by Vike. And this is the first time I will actually use this brand. This is called Vike Beauty. And this is their Makeup Meltdown. So I like stuff like this. Like we did get before in our box, the Patrick Star has a Makeup Meltdown. That works really, really good. So if this works as good as that, I'll be really happy. But basically this has a $24 value, guys. And what we have on the card here is this is a makeup remover spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removing the makeup, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray, and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Now, that's very promising. So if it works as good as it say, I'm pretty happy with it. And again, this was a $24 value. So guys, that is my box. Let me know what you got in yours. What was your favorite item out of here? Are you guys as hyped about this Huda Beauty palette like I am? I was super hyped. So that made my whole box for me. And I really enjoyed it. I would say this box was heavy on the makeup. But guys, we are at the end. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and would like to stay up to date with me on my latest unboxings. There's so much more coming for the month. We're just getting started. And I will see you guys next time.